Hello, this is Eve. Today we're demonstrating our mini scoring board. It comes with a scoring knife. The actual scoring surface for this board is 7 1/8 by 5.5 inches. The front side works as a card maker and scoring board, while the back is a guide for envelope making and embossing. The scoring tool is attached like this. For an A2 envelope, here's the folded card size, paper size, and score line. To make a 4 1/4 by 5.5 inch card, simply score the card at 4 1/4 inches. You can fold clean, crisp, easy lines. I like to smooth it down with a knife instead of pinching with my fingers. For the envelope, place your 8 by 8 inch cardstock, find 3.5 inches, and align it like this. So that's my first score mark. After that, it's super easy. I just turn it and line up my paper using this score guide, and I score it again. So the first time you need the alignment number, like 3.5 inches. For the rest, you don't have to measure again at all. Our corner and notch punch is sold separately. Line up with these two marks right here and notch it. And use the other side to cut the corner. Now I just cut away the little triangle pieces. You can use scissors, but this makes very pretty cuts. I fold both sides in and add adhesive tape along these lines. Let's add some decoration on the envelope. Using the knob end to emboss one of these pretty patterns on the board. Let's emboss the heart, pressing like this. Now insert the card we made before, then close it in. Here's my beautiful envelope. It's super quick and easy. Our mini scoring board has measurements in inches and centimeters along the sides. The instruction chart also shows both inches and centimeters. You'll enjoy creating your own cards, rosettes, and envelopes with ease. This tool is very compact, lightweight, and versatile. Thanks for watching.